Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best red dot sight for shotgun you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best red dot sight for shotgun on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which red dot sight for shotgun are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Vortex Optics Venom Red Dot Sights. The Venom Red Dot Sight 3MO promotes rapid target acquisition while providing a precise point of aim, getting shots down range and on target fast. The Venom's aluminum housing ensures this unit will stand up to whatever you throw at it. High quality, fully multi-coated lenses offer a clean, wide field of view. Power and dot intensity controls are conveniently located on the left side of the sight to choose between 10 brightness levels. The Venom also has an auto brightness mode that uses an ambient light sensor to control dot intensity if the shooter prefers. Parallax free. 1 MOA wind age and elevation adjustments are super sleek and make sighting in a breeze. The top load system makes changing the CR1632 battery a breeze, as you will not have to remove your sight to change the power source. The Venom Red Dot will fit well on your rifle or shotgun, giving you optimal flexibility. O-ring seals prevent moisture, dust and debris from penetrating for reliable performance in all environments. Our second best red dot sight for shotgun is SIG Romeo MSR Red Dot Sight. This red dot sight features a high-performance lens coating that wowed us because of its maximum light transmission and dot contrast. It also comes with a generous eye relief, precise 2 MOA dot, and parallax-free operation. Lastly, its integral brightness control features 10 daytime and 2 NV settings, which also liked. This red dot sight is best for shotguns and short barrel rifles. You can also use this for close quarters combat, plinking, range, hunting, and target practice. This sight features an impressive lens coating that provides excellent light transmission and dot contrast. It comes with 2 MOA dot sizes and runs over 20,000 hours of battery life. It also features unlimited eye relief, parallax-free operation, and integral brightness control. Number 3 in our list is HOLOSUN HS507CX2 Circle Dot Solar Failsafe. The HOLOSUN HS507CX2 Red Dot Sight is another red dot for shotgun that provides quick target locking and precise shots. You will notice that this red dot is excellent when used with short and medium range engagements. Any enthusiast also liked its multi-coated lenses and red circle dot reticle, as they provided us with clear views throughout our shooting activities in any environment. It is also comfortable to use because it offers unlimited eye relief. If you aim to achieve fast and accurate shooting, this reflex sight is ideal for you. Features included in equipment uses both solar failsafe technology and super LED high-capacity lithium-ion battery to power optic with up to 50,000 hours of battery life, making this the perfect sight to carry on hunting treks. This also works in close range or medium range target acquisition. This red dot provides up to 50,000 hours of battery life and 12 brightness settings. It also comes with multiple reticle patterns, which are compatible with NV devices. It comes with a lock mode and an ergonomic layout button, too. Fourth recommendation in our side is Vortex Optics Viper Red Dot Sight. The Viper Red Dot's super low mounting height makes it the perfect solution when there are no cutout slides. The Viper gives the simplicity and speed advantage of a dot sight, while co-witnessing with iron sights. The 6 MOA dot diameter gets on target fast. Fully multi-coated, ultra-clear lens offers a wide, unobstructed field of view. The left side up-down power and illumination controls are easy to access and manipulate. Recessed 1 MOA windage and elevation adjustments are super clean, protected from incidental contact, and always at the ready. It runs on a CR2032 battery. The Viper comes with a Picatinny mount, weighs 2.1 ounces with mount. This sight is also constructed with aluminum alloy chassis and comes with a hard anodized matte finish. Its lenses feature an Armor Tech finish. Last in our top 5 best red dot sight for shotgun list is Trijicon RM06 red dot reticle. The Trijicon RMR Type 2 is the best reflex sight for the pistol and also shotgun. 3.25 MOA adjustable LED RMR features an automatic brightness mode and easy push buttons for 8 adjustable brightness settings including 2 NV and 1 super bright. Dependable electronic design, ruggedized battery contacts and electronics ensure performance and survivability in harsh environments. Military-grade aluminum alloy forged housing shape diverts force of impact away from the lens, greatly increasing its durability. This reflex sight comes with a 3.25 MOA red dot, perfect for shooting precisely without covering too much of my target. The RMR Type 2 has easy-to-use plus and minus buttons for quick illumination adjustments. You can also manually adjust its brightness, up to 8 different settings. All the controls are side-mounted for easy access.